the more heat it creates. You can smell it too. Oh, it's actually smoke. Here is your public service announcement for today. ChipDrop.com, but make sure before you get these awesome piles that you're well aware that they create heat and smoke, because piles of wood heat up and they could cause a fire. So make sure you are well prepared when you get to ChipDrop.com, that you are willing and ready to quickly grab your tools, your barrels, and disperse your chips where you may. Quickly! Because look at that heat and smoke. Keep your container on an angle so it goes in a natural flow. Work smarter, not harder, I always say. So you've seen all the heat that was created when I was shoveling it. So at the very least, on a daily basis, if you cannot get to this pile and upload and load your totes and spread them out every day, at the very least, knock your pile down, because the higher your pile is, the more heat it creates. And go get another load. Make sure anything is out of the way, like netting, so it doesn't start a fire and burn. Now I haven't knocked down this side in a while, so that's why this side has more heat than this side. Make sure you keep that up every day until it's gone, because you don't want to start a fire. And try to get the high areas first. Oh, I can smell it too. Oh, it's actually smoke. It's actually heat. It's smoke that creates a fire. So do not let that sit there for long at all. This has only been a day, one day, since ChipDrop.com dropped it off. So I'm going to try to get to this as soon as possible and spread it across my land and in my garden. And spread that out as soon as you possibly can. And go get another load. And you could do it too. Just be very, very wise and careful. Look at that smoke. And it's just going to keep on smoking. Keep on knocking it down and filling up your totes. And that has been your public service announcement for today. Look at that smoke.